G'day everybody, it is Trader Cobb here on the 26th of October. Just going to go through and have a look at one of the coins that I'm quite interested in at the moment. And before I do, actually, I'm not sure if you're aware, and I know I haven't actually got a Facebook page, I'm getting one shortly, but I'm actually on Twitter. If you want to follow me, it's just at Trader Cobb. Pretty straightforward, TraderCobb, and you got me. Anyhow, AdEx is a coin that I've heard many talking about for a wee while as a coin for the future, which is wonderful, right? Yep, cool. What's it done? It's not been around long. It's obviously had its pump here. Don't know what happened there. I'm not really that interested in the fundamentals of it at this stage. I am merely looking at the technicals, as that's what I am good at. What I have noticed, however, is the price at which we've fallen to and sort of found some support and then sort of held. So if I just draw it in, it's kind of around this level here. I know it's not exact, but pretty close, right? So we can see we've seen test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. It's been support. Some big buying coming in here, pulling back, and that's just a bit of profit taking in my eyes, potentially if this is to play out. So what am I doing here? Something else to look at. As price is making lower low here, lower low here, lower low here, look at the MACD here. Okay, lower low, higher low, higher low. It's called divergence, okay? It's called divergence. Now, I know a lot of people put all these sorts of weird and wonderful ideas into the RSI. For some strange reason, it seems to be the magic egg when it comes to crypto. Well, guess what? I don't give two hoots about RSI. The whole overbought, oversold thing, I don't care. Here's the thing, with MACD, you might look at this and go, oh, well, look at that, that's overbought. Overbought is good for me because I'm a trend trader, okay? I cut the crap. Here's the fact. I follow trends. If MACD and RSI are overbought, that generally means it's a strong trend. All I use indicators for is for a reason to stay out of a trade. Really, I want to see that the indicators are convergent. Convergent means that as price makes higher highs, they make higher highs too. So, is the 4-hour chart on AdEx converging? Here's a higher high. Is the MACD doing the same? Yes, it certainly is. Tick that box. I have a higher low, higher high, and potentially what I'm seeing here as a higher low. Add into it this as well. I'll just get it through, I want to extend it through here, which is where we are, where we've pulled back to. Have a look at this. Well, what do you know? Support here, resistance here, resistance here. Support here, resistance here, resistance here. Breaks up, pulls back, and what's it doing? It's holding support at that level. This is introducing you to a layered approach to technical analysis, because technical analysis on its own is absolutely nothing. It needs to be combined together to create a trading strategy, and I've got some stuff coming out shortly that I'll introduce you to eventually, but trying to help people understand this and cut through a lot of the clutter that's in the market of crypto at the moment. What else have we got? Well, drawing in the fib correctly from the low to the high, 50% coinciding smack bang with, what do you know, that old support and resistance level around a round number of 0.000170. Okay, perfect. Remember, I also talk about this moving average zone, pulling back into what I recognize as the buy zone. So we've got a multitude of reasons for price, if it's to set up to move higher. So let me get all this out of the way because we've built the picture. I want to get it so it's nice and clear. What am I actually waiting for? Guys, I want to see a small green candle. That is all, a small green candle. When I see a small green candle, here's what I'm going to do. Let's pretend this is small and green. It's not, and this is not the trading signal, but I want to show you what I'm going to do. Let's pretend it's small and green. I'm going to trade it as it breaks 1 Satoshi above the high. All right? I'm going to have a stop underneath the low here. So my stop is protected. My entry will be as it breaks out above that bullish candle. If the next candle is bullish, it may not be the next, and maybe a couple more, I will continue to keep an eye on it. Where's my target going to be? Oh, look, if you're trading it, I'd probably be looking for something up around here. These old highs, something through here. Why? Well, if we come back again to the good old support and resistance type stuff, have a look here. Okay, we found some resistance way back here, resistance there, a little bit through here, not so much, resistance here, and also it's the old highs. That might be one target. Another target would definitely be up around this 2.5 because it's very strong support in the past, and potentially could provide being resistance. It just depends how you want to play it out. First target up around here. All right, jumping down onto the lower time frames, let's have a quick squeeze, see what it looks like. Look at that for a consolidation. Here's the thing: if it breaks down through here, I'd actually short it if I had the potential to. Quite likely, I don't have the potential to short it. So if this support doesn't hold, if it does break down, the trade will be cancelled and I will not care. I'll look for another one. I'll wait for another one. I will be patient. All right, guys, that is the video for today. It is a wonderful little breakdown. I wanted to give you an insight into how my mind ticks, how my strategies work. As I say, there is some exciting things that I'll announce coming up, but for now, AdEx, keeping a very close eye on it. Watch the video a few times if you want to get a couple of free little tips on technical analysis and bringing it together into the form of a trading strategy. Follow me on Twitter @TraderCobb. Take it easy. Bye for now.